Yes, very good. Milky Way. Okay. Asteroids. Very good. Keep going. Black holes. Comets. Very good. Meteors. Very good. Where? Neutron stars. Okay. Neutron star is also a star, but yeah, fine. Take neutron star. Asteroids. Already. Asteroid belt. Okay. Satellites. Very good. Satellites. Very nice. Where? Universe is wrong. Universe is not in the sky. Universe is the sky. Okay, I'm asking you what is in the sky. Dust particles. Okay, dust, ice. Interesting. Different gases are there in the sky. Very good. Backside, anybody? Vacuum. Vacuum. Okay, anybody else? Mystery planets. Mysterious planets. Anything else in the sky? You've not said one thing that is the most prominent in the sky. Sun, of course, yes.